Hey guys, we are at the cottage today. It is 35 degrees Celsius out and we need tropical drinks. So we are making the king of tiki drinks, the Mai Tai. Let's do it. So we're sticking pretty close to the classic Trader Vic recipe, only 4 ingredients. We're going to start with our rum. So we're doing 2 ounces of Jamaican rum. You can mix the rums here. You could use 2 different rums, but I like my Appleton Estate, so 2 ounces of that. Next up, we're doing 3/4 ounce of our orange liqueur. Now, traditionally, this would be an Orange Curaçao, but believe it or not, I can't find Curaçao in my region, so I'm using Cointreau. You could use Triple Sec, you could use Grand Marnier. I like Cointreau in this drink. Works quite well. Next up, freshly squeezed lime juice. We're also doing 3/4 ounce. And lastly, we have the key ingredient to a good Mai Tai, the Orgeat syrup. Orgeat is an almond flavored syrup. You can buy it or you can make it yourself. One of these days I'll upload a video on how to make your own Orgeat. But it's an excellent syrup, so we're doing 3/4 ounce of Orgeat. So this is a crushed ice drink. So grab your mallet, grab your Lewis bag, and smash away. Fill your glass with crushed ice. Alright, grab your tin, do a little flippy move, and get that on there, and shake away. Now we're just doing a quick whip shake. Any drinks with crushed ice, you don't have to shake very long. Because it's crushed ice, it'll dilute, it'll chill very fast. Now, even though I took the strainer out, we actually don't need our strainer. We're going to grab our fancy tiki glass here. This is traditionally served in either a rocks glass or a fancy tiki glass like this one here. So pour that in, and if you still got room in the glass, we're going to top off with more crushed ice. Because it's freaking hot out and we need this drink really cold, so don't skimp on the ice. To garnish, I mean, this is a tiki drink. You can pretty much garnish with anything you want. There's no such thing as overdoing a tiki garnish. So we're doing some pineapple fronds. We're doing an orange slice. We've got a pineapple chunk with some maraschino cherries. And don't forget your short straw for sipping. And there you have it. There is your classic Mai Tai, the king of tiki drinks. This is such an incredible drink. It's sweet, it's citrusy, but that rum is really present, and that Orgeat syrup. You know, if you've never had Orgeat, it's that almond marzipan cookie type of flavor. It just works in this drink. It's so great on a hot summer day, on a tropical beach somewhere. An amazing drink, and you can make them at home. It's just that simple. So we will see you next time, guys. Hit subscribe and like the video, hit that bell so you get notified when we release new videos, and we will see you next time. Cheers.